Hello student, in class 9th our last topic rationalization and law of exponents. So rationalization in NCERT book there is few things which we have to learn. First, rationalization, that is if we have any rational number that is p upon q, and q is our denominator. If q is irrational, for the example if 1 upon root 2, and now we know that root 2 is a irrational, so rationalization, that is we will rationalize our denominator to convert a denominator from irrational to rational. That is our requirement. As we know that if we will multiply root 2 into root 2, that is we will get 2 only. So here in the denominator we have root 2. If we will multiply with the same quantity to the numerator and denominator, so what we will get? That is root 2 into 1, that is root 2, and root 2 into root 2 we will get 2. And now here is our denominator is irrational, and now here our denominator is rational. So basically rationalization concept is how to make our denominator from irrational to rational. So this is one example. Let us take one more example. Suppose example second, we have rationalized the denominator like 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now here in the denominator there are two quantity. So how we can rationalize? We can rationalize easily 1 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. That is, we have to convert this plus sign into minus sign. That is, we have to change the sign. Whatever, if we have plus, then we have to convert into minus. If we have minus, then we have to convert into the plus, and simply multiply the numerator and denominator. Why we are doing in this way? In the denominator, let's see, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So we will have a square minus b square, and we know that while squaring any irrational quantity we will get a rational only. So in the numerator there is no quantity, so root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3 upon, in the denominator, a square minus b square. So we have a 2 square minus root 3 square, and this is square root balance, this is square balance is square root. So we have 2 minus root 3 upon 2 to the 4 minus 3, that is 1. That is our answer, 2 root minus 3. So in this way we can rationalize easily. Okay, now law of exponents. Law of exponent similar. It is so we know some rules like law of exponents. So let us see, like first a raised to m into a raised to n. So here base is same, a raised to m plus n. For example, if we have 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5, so we can write 2 raised to 3 plus 5, that is 2 raised to 8. Now second law, if we have a raised to m into a raised to n, so we can write a raised to m into n. Third is a raised to m upon a raised to n, that is we can write a raised to m minus n. And fourth is a raised to m into b a raised to m into b raised to n, so we can write ab raised to m. So in this way we can solve our problems. Like for example simplify 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 1 upon 3. Now here is base is same, so we can apply the formula a raised to m into a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n. So here a is 2. So 2 upon 2, 2 raised to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So we will have 2 raised to 3, 2 plus 1, that is already 3, 2 raised to 3, that is 8 is our answer. So in this way we can calculate all the values.